The term news media refers to the groups that present information and news to people. There are three main types of news media: print media, broadcast media, and the Internet. The oldest media forms are newspapers, magazines, journals, and other printed materials. Newspapers and magazines provide us with national and international news, interesting articles, TV guides, cartoon strips, horoscopes, fashion and beauty advice, gossip. Whereas print media was once much more popular, the invention of the Internet, e-books, digital applications, etc. have caused many companies to begin publishing through digital channels. Broadcast media are news reports broadcast via radio and television. Television news is hugely important in most countries. People get their news from television broadcasts more than from any other source. Many people also listen to radio news and music every day. Local radio stations have a particularly large audience because they can report on local weather, traffic, and events. The Internet is slowly transforming the news media. People surf the sites of more traditional media, but also turn to unique online news sources such as weblogs. Websites can provide text, audio, and video information. Answer the questions. What are the three main types of news media? Print media, broadcast media, the Internet. What are the oldest media forms? Newspapers, magazines, journals. What information can websites provide? Text, audio, and video information. Past continuous. Прошедшее продолженное время. Употребляется для описания действия, которое происходило в прошлом и которое было прервано другим действием. Past continuous употребляется для описания действия в развитии, процессе, длительное действие. А past simple для описания действия, которое прервало его, краткое действие. Например, She was watching a chat show when her mother called her. Для описания двух или более одновременных действий, происходивших в развитии в прошлом. Например, He was reading an article while his brother was watching TV. Для описания действия, которое происходило в определенное время в прошлом. При этом не указывается, когда действие началось или закончилось. At 8 o'clock last night I was surfing the internet. Для описания атмосферы, обстановки и тому подобное. А также во вступлении к рассказу. Например, The birds were singing and the sun was shining. She was reading her daily horoscope outside when something strange happened. Указатели времени, сигналы, употребляемые с past continuous. While, when, as, all morning, all evening, all day, all week, at 8 o'clock a.m.